Changing your primary email on the ETRADE is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your ETRADE account. Visit the ETRADE website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the home page, often under your profile or account name. Step 3. Select email preferences. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use ETRADE to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your primary email. Find the field that displays your current primary email address. Enter your new email address in the designated space and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from ETRADE. Following these steps will ensure your primary email is successfully updated.